Hi guys, I'm Jamie. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making the first recipe of the many recipes I'm going to be posting every week. I'm going to be making things as easy as possible, so hopefully as you follow all of my videos and make the recipes yourself, you can see that anyone can cook. Today we're going to get started with the simple and classic French toast. All right, let's get started. With these ingredients, you can make enough for 2 people. So you are going to need bread, of course. That's the start of the dish. Crumbled bread will be best. Brioche, halal bread. I'm using halal bread today. And you also need a cup of milk, 1 egg, a pinch of nutmeg, a little more extra cinnamon, a pinch of salt, a tablespoon of sugar, and for garnish you can use berries, powdered sugar as well. And even if you wanted to spice it up, then you can use a tablespoon of rum, maybe almond liquor or bourbon. For this recipe, you don't need a lot of equipment, just a saute pan, a shallow dish or a bowl, also a spatula, a whisk, a small knife and a strainer. Okay, so now we're gonna combine some of the ingredients. So we're gonna start with milk, 1 egg, the tablespoon of sugar, and the pinch of cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. So you're just gonna give it a nice whisk. You can use a fork if you don't have a whisker, just fine. Just, you don't want to stir too much, just enough so all the ingredients are combined. All right, this smells good already. I can smell the cinnamon and the nutmeg. It smells really nice. Okay. So as we get the oil hot in a pan, we are going to dip our toasts in the mixture. Just gonna make sure it's nicely covered. Give it a little time to absorb some of that really good mixture. It's gonna give it all the flavor. And our saute pan seems to be ready as well, so let's go for it. Can you hear the sizzle? It means that it was hot enough. It's perfect. You can see at the beginning the bubbles of the mixture are very aggressive, so as they cook down they're gonna slow down, and this is how you're gonna know when it's time to turn. You can leave the toast alone just for a minute or 2. It depends on the heat. Medium to medium high heat should be perfect. So let's give it a minute or 2. Okay, the bubbles slow down, and we can also see that the toast is golden brown. It's perfect. So you can go ahead and give it a turn. Ooh, how nice. Okay, so we're gonna take that out of the pan. There's our first toast. Really nice. We're gonna do the same with the others until you use all the mixture and the pieces of bread you had ready. Alright guys, our third toast is ready. Now we're gonna go ahead and garnish. So here's our strainer, a little bit of powdered sugar, so you want to cover all of them nicely. You can put as much as you want. All right, this is good for me. And then the berries on the side. You can also use maple syrup, a little bit of honey, maybe a drizzle. And maybe you can put the strawberries just on the side like this. But I also like doing something like this. You're just gonna cut the strawberry in half. And you're just gonna get a really beautiful plate just by doing that. It's perfect now. There you have it. Beautiful and delicious French toast. You can serve it with maybe scrambled eggs or some pieces of bacon. And of course, a nice cup of coffee. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next week.